So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. For He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh, He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Owie. So today I have a hair review for you guys. Yes, another hair review, but this time is in partnership with Unice Hair. I already made my hair into a weave, as you can see with my sweet baby standing here. Guys, I made the wig myself. You know, the last review I was telling you guys I don't know how to make a wig yet. After watching 1,000 videos on how to make wigs, I finally did it. Yes, it took me 2 days 2 days of on and off with the help of God to make this wig. So yeah, thank you guys. I know that you are telling me well done, but thank you. Anyways, this is the Unice Hair Malaysian Jerry Curl. Guys, I'm reading it from my phone, yes, because I don't want to say the wrong thing. The Malaysian Jerry Curl Virgin Human Hair in 2022 and 224s and a 20-inch frontal. I feel like that's all I get every time. I think I've not added anything to it. I just sprayed it with water and my coil moisture spray. But then we're going to try and lay this wig. Okay, so before I move on to laying this wig, I'm going to insert clips of me making it into a wig. I bleached the knot myself, I made it into a wig myself, I did everything myself. So guys, let's hope that this time around I'll be able to lay this wig without any problem. So yeah, before I go into laying it, I'm going to show you guys how I made the wig. Just a quick video of how I made the wig, and then you guys are going to move into me laying this hair. Okay?
Yes you are, yes you are. His name is Yahweh. Lion and the Lamb. His name is Yahweh. I am that I am that I am. You're my God. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. Your majesty revealed to all. Your love is so overwhelming. To your government there is no end. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. Oh. So from the pages of my heart, let my worship begin but never end. To the God of all flesh, for He's my God and His name is Yahweh. His name is Yahweh. Friend.
construction of the inside. Right, I made everything myself. I know I've not put combs or band or anything. So when I was bleaching the knots, the bleach went through the lace, so a part of my baby hairs is blonde. Oh yeah, I customized it myself, guys. I'm on a roll. My last wig cost me 20,000 naira to make. 20,000 naira. Never gonna happen again. So now I'm going to put my foundation just so that the lace blends a bit better with my head or my skin color. I'm setting the foundation I put with powder. So let's wait and start the installing. So yeah, this is how it looks. No product in it. Frontal looks a bit the curls are not so tight because I had to comb through it when I was plucking. Even though my plucking I'm going to try and pluck it a bit more. There's only so much you can pluck while it's on a mannequin. I want it to look as if it came out of my head. Funny enough, the lace the frontal already came sort of pre-plucked, so it wasn't really hard to get it to behave. I know it looks this was what I was telling you guys. I mistakenly bleached my, I'm just trying to pat it while I'm plucking it, so I don't just pluck in the front alone. You have to always keep moving when you're plucking your frontal, because if you just focus on one spot, you're gonna be bald. All right, the frontal is going to be bald. Okay, I think we're okay for now. Let's try and cut this thing on camera. I'll try my best. Okay, when I see that I can't do it anymore, I'm gonna just leave it. The first thing first is to make sure it's firm, and then I'm going to cut the beginning.
Raise your voice and worship. Lift your voice and worship.
So after watching like 1,000 tutorials, I heard that the trick to, well, I learned, let me not say I hate, as if it's gossip. I learned that the trick to getting like the invisible lace is to not cut on a straight line. If you cut on a straight line, it looks very synthetic, but then if it's like zigzag, so while you're cutting, just manipulate the scissors a bit. So before I reach here, I'm going to try and do my sideburns. The trick is to feel for your ears. Guys, see me acting as if I know what I'm doing. We're doing this together, okay? Okay, so this is the top of my ears here. So you make a line at the top of your ears. Okay, so guys, I'm going to quit acting like a pro, like I know what I'm doing, and remove this wig and cut my lace very well, just so I don't destroy it. So now I'm going to start putting the gel. I'm going to try my best to like clean off the beginning of my hair a bit, just a bit. It's not like I'm wearing this for a long time anyway. I'm definitely going to pull it off immediately after filming, so I don't really have to. It's still going to stick, but then just feel like it got to be. I'm putting it really lightly. I'm going to try and lay this frontal down. Okay, so I'm going to do it in sections. At least if I don't learn anything, I learn sections is better. So front first. Okay, so I get to do this side now. Hold it. You might not get every single part down at first, and now then go over. Like you see, this side is definitely not down yet. So I'm just going to spray. Hey guys, I'm doing it too. People are here. Where is laying at first frontal? Hey, no, don't do that to me. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Jesus, take me by the hand, and he won't let go. Don't you think he'll show in the video? Hey guys, I've done this thing. Like joke. You know the best part about this hair? It doesn't need any coiling. Once I spray water on it, I'm good to go.
Lord is my God and his name is Jehovah.
Oh, look at who's laid our frontal embassy. Bimbo, look.
You there?
I did it. Oh my god. I'm just gonna tie it just for like 5 seconds or minutes, whatever. I just wanted to gather momentum. Let me give you guys some information and wet this hair. So here it just has water and tiny bit of leave-in conditioner, just tiny bit. So this hair, I did not experience any shedding except when I cut my weft. I had to cut my weft because I was learning how to make wigs for the first time. I did not have time to be doing flip over. So every time I cut it, just that part removed. And after I brushed it out, actually I didn't brush it, I just ran my fingers through it. After I did that, we're back to normal. So I used 3.5 bundles. I still have half a bundle of my 20 inches. So the hair is very full. There was no way I could have inserted this part into it. Like, once you just put water, if you're not someone that likes the big, full, untamed hair, water is all you need. And even when the curls feels a bit stretched out, all you have to do is just wet it with water. Let me add my moisture spray. Can you see? This is the Jerry Curl. That's why I chose it. Like, just, can you see? So bloody soft. I can't deal. My sister entered my room yesterday and she was like, oh, but you made this wig. She was just looking at it from far, and then she just came close and touched it. She was like, what did you put on here? I'm like, I have not even put anything on it yet. And that was it in the dry state. The wet state is even madder. I don't want to drench it too much because I want it to be full, but then I want you guys to see it when wet too. So the hair is pretty long. Let me try. So this is my navel right here, and the 24 inches is literally by my navel. This is just the moisturizing spray. There's nothing inside. It's basically conditioner and water. So if you don't have this conditioner and water, like the one I was spraying is better. Look how soft. Like, can you see? Okay guys, I'm about to unleash the dragon and then try and fix my baby hair if I know what I'm doing. To be honest, I can't go without baby hair. I don't want it. I'm scared. Let's try and see another part. This is it without baby hairs. So guys, I'm going to try and do baby hairs. Let's hope I don't mess it up. Whew, pray for your girl. You should better wish me well, because if I should spoil this thing, I'm coming for everybody's edges.
Lord, if I find favor in your sight, Lord, please hear my heart's cry. I'm desperately waiting to be where you are, across the heart.
I'm going to use a little bit of mousse to hold back all this small so I do not stress my life. I'm going to cut it with blade because I don't trust myself with scissors.
I will do anything just to
I'm going to lay my edges with mousse basically.
To behold you as my king.
I did it too. I don't start with all this my scallopy this thing.
Will I dance for you, Jesus? Oh, I know if you be still. Will I?
You guys see why I don't like to do baby hair. Nobody has time for this. Yes, I'm putting powder on my edges because nobody has time for the shiny forehead. So guys, after struggling with these baby hairs for like 60 years, this is the final look. So guys, this hair is low maintenance. It doesn't have any problem. Just spray it with water and you are good to go. I am so happy with this hair and the way it turned out. I made my first wig, guys. I made my first wig and I think I slayed it. So if you guys would love to purchase this hair, I have the link in the description box, all the information. This is the Malaysian Jerry Curl hair. So if you guys need it, just click on the link in the description box and all the information is there, and the link to their website, Unice Hair, and their AliExpress page, and the direct link to this particular hair. And I'm definitely going to be giving you guys an update. You guys know by the time you see this hair, it's definitely not going to be black. That one, just be sure. I just did not have enough time to dye it the color I wanted. Okay, I just wanted you guys to see it in the actual state. I'm thinking like blonde highlights. I'm not sure, but then I feel like blonde highlights really suit this hair. So yeah, that's the direction we're gonna be going. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'm definitely going to be giving you guys more hair reviews. So I'm thinking we should add a bit of mousse. I say mousse, I guess. The Yoruba girl in me always comes out. Mousse to this hair and see, like just to make sure it doesn't misbehave, you know. So I'm just taking mousse, just running it through. It's all going to keep it in one place and to stop separating, and it's all going to look beautiful, you know, just to give it that wet look but without it actually being wet. Can you see? Oh, this hair is just perfect. Like, I can't deal. I'm obsessed. I feel like just continue to add this thing. It's making it look so beautiful. The curls are getting out a bit more.
Only to my testimony of what the Lord has done for me. My eyes just see my hands of blood of His goodness and mercy. Hold on. Give me life, give me peace. I wonder what I did that makes you love me like this. Oh Lord, oh, give me life, give me peace. I can't deny what you did. You make my life sweet and more. I will call you different name like. Call you Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah Nisi. How we call you Jehovah Jerry, Jehovah Jerry. How we call you Jehovah Eloi, Jehovah Eloi. Me papa me oh. Let me tell you this circle and call you Lord. Jehovah Ginger, Jehovah Ginger. I call him Jehovah Swagger, Jehovah Swagger. I call him Jehovah Bashiri, cause I'm not Bashiri. Never find me up. Yeah, yeah. Forever we testify, forever we glorify of your goodness and your mercy. What you do, no man can do. Listen, let me tell you what you did. Hey, listen. You make them blind to see. You make the lame to walk. You make the deaf to hear. You make the what a merciful God you are. Testimony will testify. We call you different name like. Call you Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah Nisi. How we call you Jehovah Jerry, Jehovah Jerry. How we call you Jehovah Eloi, Jehovah Eloi. Me papa me oh. Let me tell you this circle and call you Lord. Jehovah Ginger, Jehovah Ginger. I call him Jehovah Swagger, Jehovah Swagger. I call him Jehovah Bashiri, cause I'm not Bashiri. Never find me up. Yeah. You gave me life, you give me peace. I wonder what I did that makes you love me like this. Oh Lord, oh. You gave me life, give me peace. I can't deny what you did. You make my life sweet and more. I will call you different name like Jehovah Lower. Look for me in the lower. Hey, Jehovah Lola. Look for me in the Lola. Hey, Jehovah Totobi.